10. McDonald's. I heard the TV on and I was a little panicked at first. It's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
Alright, let's take a quick look around. Edie, you want to do the standard?
Sure.
Alright. Passing off to the Edie.
Alright, everybody.
We got our typical setup over here, which is awesome. Put down our trash there. We'll actually lower this so we got some, so you guys can hear me. So we got what looks to be a view of the courtyard. Oh, that's cool. There's actually a courtyard. They have a grill down there, which might be for public use, which would be cool if it was. Our desk here, full desk. Outlets. We have a full swoop on this desk. No more outlets. In-house cooling.
Sitting area to eat, dishwasher.
Full closet.
Silverware.
All around.
Fridge, freezer.
Let's see. That's probably the heater. Again, more with the courtyard. Okay, there's a fireplace down there as well. Since she's over here. We got a full table. We got a... It rubbed up against something, maybe paint. Got General Electric, Schenectady Special, dishwasher. Oh wow, that's a full sink. That is absolutely a full sink. Full scrubby with Smiley, dish detergent provided, soap provided. We got our coffee blends, obviously, that's always awesome. Does this one come with? It does. Look at that, guys. Got coffee cups. We got little bowls. So you always bring your breakfast in here too. And we got some more scratches, but that's not terrible. It's not overly done. Now our burner, well, we did actually have a burner in-house. I wonder how that would actually... That drawer doesn't open. Okay, we got a pan. Is the pan clean? It's questionable. Let's see what else. Some utensils, peeler, corker, some silverware. Okay. We have our knives. I actually have knives in here. And underneath the sink, there is a trash can and recycling receptacle. Those are always plus, solid pluses. And what do we got above the fridge? Anything? Nada. Nada above the fridge. But we have full refrigerator space. That's awesome. So this is actually like a full studio apartment.
It is.
This is awesome. It's actually bigger than some studio apartments, so
This is nicer than
it'd be
the courtyard we get in Waterbury.
solid, yeah. Oh wow. Alright. Full closet space. And bathroom. No yellow. Nice and clean. For Connecticut, so far where we've stayed here in Connecticut, I don't know. What do you think? Solid 8 out of 10?
Yeah, pretty nice.
Definitely.
Relatively clean. friendly. I don't really see too much damage in the room.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Anywhere. That's nice too to have a little table there, or a little light there for the table.
Yeah, yeah. All right, guys, what you guys could see previously up top was our room right up there. And right now we are standing in the fireplace. There's some coals. Bring a fire. Yeah, like I said, they got the grill over here. It's a nice little receptacle. Not much, but it's not bad. Questionable chairs. But we are in the courtyard. It's a little dark, but it's not bad. Again, it's decently lit. Kristen fell on the tennis courts and the basketball court. I'm sure they have it at the front desk. Court use. Material's slippery though. I don't know what it is. I've never seen this before.